stuff is coming in. Something's got to go out. Poor hiccups.
Wyatt.
Yeah. We're trying to feed him, but...
Wyatt, you're noisy. He's like, I can't help it. Is he doing better with this bottle?
He did earlier.
Good. He's like, I'm figuring this out.
This time he's too distracted by his hiccups.
Aw. So sweet.
He has an elephant on his... Jamie, he has an elephant on his outfit, and he has elephants on his bed.